I will take over the galaxy and nobody can stop me.
I can!
Dark power. Oh my god. It's Skywalker. Prepare to meet your doom.
That's what you think, Darth Vader.
I don't think so. That's what I'm talking about.
No!
Look, I must tell you something. I will kill your daughter. She has died. She has died. She has died. What are you doing? You have died. Ha. Look, you cannot stop me. You cannot stop me because I am your father.
No!
Yes!
You must die!
I got him in the neck. I will choke you with my force. I am victorious. I'm falling and I can't get up. Life alert! Life alert!
You're not supported by Affleck!
Yes?
What, you have black hole?
No?
What do you have?
Allstate.
No!
I've fallen. Oh no. I must retreat. I must retreat.
And never come back!